Hey guys and girls, I'm David Green and this is
Shannon Green Van Dusen.
And what are we here to do, Shannon?
We're going to show you guys how to do some home hair cutting.
Okay, so as you can see right here, we own the cutting room and we're doing COVID-19 home hair cutting tutorials. And we've got, I think, about 3 of them we're going to make for them.
Yep, I think so. You guys saw the one, hopefully not too long ago, Dave shared on men's cutting. So now let's look at some longer hair cutting.
So we're going to bring this to you. Let's get her rolling.
Okay. Hi, Shannon here again from the cutting room, showing you another hair cutting tutorial for COVID-19 home haircuts. So what if you just want to trim one length hair? Well, we have a couple options for you depending on the thickness of hair and how you want it to lay. So if you've got somewhat fine hair and it's not real thick and bulky, you know, those with the skinny ponytails, what you want to do is take the hair, comb it all the way back, just brush it all back, slick it back, and bring it all the way back. Now, if you want to have a slightly rounded back, bottom, then when you trim, literally you are just going to trim that round. Okay? You just trim that round like that. So it's not rocket science, obviously, right? Or what if you want it straight across? Now, if you've got it combed all the way back, the front slicked all the way back, and you comb it down and cut straight across the back. What that's going to do for you is your front's going to be a little bit longer than the back when you part it and comb it back down. Okay? Now what if you have thick hair? Okay, so what do you do if you've got more hair than just, if it's a thick fat ponytail? So what you're gonna wanna do is your partner's gonna comb your hair back like I showed you, and then you've got to section it out. So you're gonna bring some of it down, and not very many of you probably have clippies at home. So you are going to hold your hair for your partner. Okay? You're going to hold your hair for your partner. So here you are holding your hair like this. Then your partner is going to tilt your head down, and wherever you tell them to cut it, whether it's 1 inch, 2 inches, you're just going to cut straight across. Can you see? Yep. Okay. I'm just going to cut it. By bending that hair down, when you bring the next layer, because you're going to have to resection out some more, here we are, sectioning it out. Okay, and you're still holding it for your hair cutter. You're gonna find that hair that you cut underneath, and you're gonna cut to that hair, okay? So if you part it, you can see there it is, okay? By having the head bent forward, that under hair is gonna be just a little bit shorter, so it will fall nicely and not flip up on you. The other thing is you want to make sure the hair is pretty wet so that you can comb it nice and smooth. And then don't hold it tight in your fingers, because remember, if we hold it tight and cut it, that creates a lot of tension, and when you let go, it's going to spring up too short. So really, it's best to just comb it smooth and just not even hold it. Just cut it. Thank you, Dave. We're just going to cut to that hair. Then I would go onto that side and cut that right there. Then we would let go. And there, comb it down. There's the underneath haircut. Again, nice and smooth. And just cut it. Pretty easy way to just trim your layers, or your ends, I'm sorry, just your ends. Okay, so that was tutorial 3 for the cutting room's COVID-19 hair cutting tutorials. Thanks, guys.